Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 2014 Kenworth W900L extended cab factory built glider kit to show you. Built with a 12.7 liter Detroit 10 speed. I've got it hot. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, frame rails, everything that you'd want to see. This truck does have all new rubber. Came out of the south, so there's no rust. Body and paint look amazing. So I just came out of detail this morning. Want to show you what we got. Let's get started. All aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel, AG400, air ride suspension. Little spot on the tank right here, nothing major, but we're going to look at blemishes. You notice this chip on the fender. Love the extended cab aspect of this truck. Gives you much needed extra room. Great low side oil pressure for a Detroit that you really, a lot of times is down in the 20s. So super smooth through the RPMs, and your high side oil pressure is jumps them up there as well. So it's 36 on the low side. It'll come down a little bit more as that temp gets about 5 more degrees. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.